The crypto portfolio was up 70%.
Wow.
Last week it was up 45. Yesterday was 35%. Now it's up 42. Cryptos is highly volatile.
Since starting, I'm up 300%.
300%, and that's the CCA strategy with cryptos, is it?
Yes.
At 300% it must be.
Well, last year I did 283%.
Are you in profit?
Yes.
You
yes.
must be. You must be.
Yeah, like Ethereum. I was up like 700%.
Just for the cryptos, there is a since December, now we are just in January, and I have made 30%.
My other aspect is cryptocurrency. I'm about 20% up on my cryptocurrency portfolio.
9 months as I've been with the crypto club. It's like around 70.6%.
I like the way you said around 70.6. That's quite precise.
£400. That's all I had. I've added in about £100 a month since. I currently, with my current whole portfolio, is about 120% up. Ethereum and Bitcoin being the main two. I just reinvested, so I now own 12 or 13 different currencies.
Yeah.
The first coin I bought is now Aave, but was Lend. Yeah, I put $1,000 into that one. It's worth about 35,000 now.
35,000. That is awesome. So come on, stop teasing us. What is your overall percentage gain on your portfolio?
It's well over 100%. When I last looked at it, it was about 125%.
That's fantastic.